Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to start a USA based YouTube channel. How to do that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So to start off, I would like to suggest you to open the YouTube here from the Google Chrome, not from the application, guys. And after that, you can do the login first with your email. And after the sign up or login process, you can start to click the three dot on the Google Chrome here and click the desktop site, and the view of this YouTube will turn into the just like you open the YouTube from your laptop. And after that, you can slightly click the account on the top left corner and slightly zoom it. I will repeat it, I'm sorry. Click this.
I like to work fast.
And slightly zoom in and click the switch account, and you can start to click view all channel, and you can start to create the channel here. Create the channel and just following the instruction, and right after the channel creating is done, you can start to open your channel by open the another tab, and I will type studio.youtube.com, and after that it will bring you into this section, and keep it in the view of the desktop site. And for example, I would like to change my position or my base or where I might live in, so you can start to zoom in again and scroll it into the down or in the left corner and click this setting. And after that, you can start to see this setting. For example, there are general, channel, upload, upload default, permission, community permission, and agreements. And since we would like to change our position to be the USA based, we will go to the channel, click it, and as you can see, for the basic info, you can start to change your position. For example, I would like to change to become United States, and you can click this. But if you would like to change into the another residence, then you can scroll, and for example, I will keep it into English in the USA. It's a little bit longer. You can scroll down, and there you go. And as you can see, for the keywords, you find a lot of text right here. Where can you find it? Don't worry, you can start to open your tab, another tab, and you can open the rapid text, rapidtext.io. And after that, for example, I will type the video USA and enter, and you can just scroll down and give you a lot of text that usually show in the YouTube channel from the region of the USA. And after that, you can simply copy text and go back to the YouTube Studio, and you can start to put it here. For example, I will click paste, and there you go. But since you see the red line over here, it seems that the text is too much, and you can start to scroll down and reduce the several texts. For example, I will reduce the 4K video, this one, and this one, and this one. And after that, until this line is not getting red again. And after that, you can click save. And after that, you can follow along the another step. And start to upload the video. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.